Our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors are all linked, so our thoughts impact how we feel and act. So, although we all have unhelpful thoughts from time to time, it's important to know what to do when they appear so we don't let them change the course of our day. Negative thinking can be a factor in issues including low self-esteem, melancholy, stress, and social anxiety. Understanding how you think currently and the issues that occur is the key to changing your negative thoughts. After that, utilize techniques to alter these thoughts or lessen their impact. Therapy can often be helpful for changing negative thoughts, but you can also learn how to change your thought patterns. In this video, we are going to present you with 10 ways to overcome negative thinking. Number 1. Have daily negative thought time. Committing to 10 minutes every day of pondering and examining negative thoughts is a counterintuitive method for gaining control over them. Every day, negative thought time must be 10 minutes long. When you have a bad thought during the day, write it down and tell yourself you'll go over it. Negative thought time. You will gradually regain control and negative thinking will cease. Number 2. Replace the negative thoughts. You replace negative thought habits, not overcome them. Those negative thought patterns are well-worn neuronal pathways for the vast majority of us. Follow 4 easy steps. 1. Notice when you have started the pattern. 2. Acknowledge that it's a pattern you want to change. 3. Articulate what you want to be different. 4. Choose a different behavior, one that serves your goals. Number 3. Be your own best friend. You are mean to yourself, as a research shows that nearly 90% of self-talk is negative. Follow these 3 key points for self-talk. Number 1. Release it. Let it out to help the process, not to dwell. 3 minutes, then the pity party is over. Number 2. Track it. Identify when you have negative thoughts. Awareness will enable you to reframe your thoughts. Number 3. Reframe it. Once you know why you are being mean, consider what your best friend would say to you. Then tell yourself what you need to hear. Number 4. Write instead of think. The process of writing your thoughts down helps to solidify them. Seeing them on paper allows you to see them more clearly and will push you into taking action. This doesn't just apply to negative thoughts or problems. Writing down your ideas and ambitions for the future is the first step to making them a reality. One way to sort out the negative chaos in your mind and to give you a clearer picture of what's going on is to write them down. Taking a piece of paper or a journal and writing down everything that's going on in your mind. Everything from your work or school commitments to your social obligations and everything in between will help you get a clearer picture of what is important and what's not. Number 5. Make a conscious effort to appreciate good. Instead of fighting negative thoughts, consciously reach for better feeling thoughts. One powerful way to do that is to speak out loud if you can do what you love, like, and appreciate. Heading into a tough talk. Love the way the coffee tastes. Love and like the way the chair feels at your back. Appreciate the chance to process ideas with your team. Reach for the relief, and you'll find it. Number 6. Establish new habits. Rather than thinking of it in terms of overcoming negative thought patterns, think of it in terms of establishing new habits. You do that by directing your attention to subjects where there's nothing to overcome. Subjects that you already feel good about, and therefore think positively about them. That could be your pet, your painted toenails, being outside, the beach, or whatsoever, but start with something easy. Number 7. Stop watching the morning news. Research has shown just 3 minutes of negative news in the morning will significantly increase your chances of a negative experience over the course of the day. Research has also shown that a positive mindset increases productivity and satisfaction while reducing error rates. Mindset is a choice, but not always an easy one. Look to eliminate negative influences and stop watching the morning news. Number 8. Channel thoughts into something constructive. Negative thought patterns can easily take over, but a fantastic and constructive trick is to identify what the negative thought pattern is and a project you're excited about. Then, consciously commit to this. Every time you find yourself focusing on the negative, refocus your thoughts for 5 minutes on your exciting project. When you would do this, a new initiative will be ahead of schedule. Number 9. Focus on gratitude. Gratitude is underrated by most, but is essential to a happy life. Life doesn't get easier, but you become stronger as you reframe difficulties by recognizing all of the little good things going on around you. Keep a good list and refer to it daily. Also, focus on what you really want and be very specific. A focused, positive mind will attract what it is seeking over time. Number 10. Try movement and meditation. Meditation helps you to stop resisting so that emotions naturally become less prevalent. The goal is to watch the mind in action without using force and ease it into the present moment. If you resist, you will fall into the trap of yet more thinking. You'll end up thinking about not thinking, or why you can't stop thinking, or whether anyone else struggles to stop thinking, and so on. Practice meditation to focus on what's going on in your mind and reframe your thought patterns in a positive way. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned to such helpful content. Thanks for watching.